Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, and today I'm gonna show you guys my fidget toys. And if you guys don't know what fidget toys is, I'm gonna show you. And if you have a TikTok account, or if you just watch TikTok and you don't have an account, then I have TikTok, and I recently made TikTok a few years ago, and then I deleted the app because I was very bored of it. And then a few months ago, I downloaded it again. Well, actually in March, somewhere in March, I downloaded it again. I made a few videos, a lot of videos. I posted some of them, and very good. And then when I made my first fidget toy, like squishies and stuff like that, then I was like, I'm gonna become a fidget TikToker, and then I became collecting fidget toys, and I was looking around my room for could this be like a fidget toy? Could this be like a fidget toy? And then I was keep collecting, and then I became a fidget TikToker. There are a few people that are actually fidget TikTokers, and I am one of them. So yeah, I just became one. Well, not right now, today, because I have a lot of fidgets, and today I'm going to show you them. So first, I'm going to show you one of the most annoying ones ever. So I have a box here with all of my fidget toys, but I have these other fidgets. This one has Orbeez in it. Now, and this one. Now, my most annoying one is this one, because when you squeeze it, I'll just get the box out of it, because when you squeeze it, it just keeps getting out of your hand. I mean, it's fun, but it's boring. But I mean, it's not boring. It's just like, it gets irritating, because you just want to hold it. I mean, like, you gotta squish it to hold it, and ow. But then the beautiful part about it is this. Like, every time when I don't touch it, and it just evolves into still, and then I slap it, and then it becomes like this. I don't know why, but it's my favorite thing to do. Okay, then I'm gonna show you my favorite thing. This is called a poppet. Now, a poppet is this thing, of course, and then you push the buttons for fun. You push it, and it's so much fun. Then you can turn it around, and then it's loud. There's a loud side and the unloud side. So, and this is my only one. I only have one, and my first one, of course. And it's a rainbow heart, well, of course you can see. It's actually supposed to be seven rainbows, but there's only 6. Okay, moving on, my most favorite fidget